Hey students, good morning. This video is in continuation of your previous one, okay? And in this video, we are doing our second subject, which is mathematics. So kindly bring out your maths book, which is there on screen. This is your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit, one of two, joyful day. Okay, as you know that in our previous session, I'll introduce you the concept of tall and short. Fine. So today I'll introduce you a new concept. So you all be ready with that. But first of all, kindly bring out your mathematic book as well as pencil and erasers with you. I'm waiting for you. Hurry up. Okay, students, I hope so that you have bring out your maths book, right? But before starting it, let me ask you something. Okay, as you see over here, this is a book, right? This is a surface now. This is a book. Fine. Is this clear to you all? What is this? This is a book, right? Okay. I'll place it over here. Two things. Here, I'm I'm having a sketch pen, right? See, this is a sketch pen, right? Okay. And in my second hand, I'm having a pencil. So tell me, both are standing, right? So tell me, this pencil is tall. This pencil is tall, right? And this one is short. This one is short. This one is tall and this one is short. Okay. Now, so I'm having a blue color pen and I'm having a purple color pen. Tell me which one is tall and which one is short. Which one is tall and which one is short? The blue one is tall and the purple one is short, right? So this is a revision of your previous concept, tall and short. So now you have to open your book and come on, a new worksheet which is your 2323. So you all have to open page number 2323 from your book, right? So today I'll introduce you a new concept of long and short. Long and short. I told you when we have to measure the height, then we use the term tall and short. जब आपको height measure करनी है, जब आपको क्या करना है, height measure करनी है, two objects है, there are two objects and you have to measure the height when they are in standing position and you have to measure the height. So आप क्या यूज करते हो, कौन सी टर्म यूज करते हो, tall and short. But when the objects are lying on something, जब objects क्या है, किसी चीज पर lie कर रहे हैं, किसी surface पर, and we have to measure the length, then you use term long and short. Long आप जिनकी length लंबी है आप उसके लिए यूज करोगे, short आप उन objects के लिए यूज करोगे जिनकी length छोटी है. Okay, so students, there are two terms, tall, short, लॉन्ग, शॉर्ट. टॉल आप वहां यूज करते हो व्हेन यू हैव टू मेजर द हाइट, जब आपको किसी चीज की हाइट मेजर करनी है, और यू कैन से जब एक ऑब्जेक्ट स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में है एंड यू हैव टू मेजर द हाइट, देन यू यूज टॉल वर्ड. ओके, एंड व्हेन द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन लाइन पोजीशन, ठीक है, ऐसे किसी कोई ऑब्जेक्ट जो है व्हेन इट इज lying on somewhere, lying on floor, lying on surface, lying on table, है ना, और आप लेंथ मेजर कर रहे हो, so then you will use the term long for it. Okay, so now first of all I am having a worksheet activity related to that. आप क्या कर सकते हो, you can use some real resources at your home. Okay, and do this activity. As you see this picture, there is टू स्केल्स है ना, बोथ आर लाइंग ऑन अ टेबल. ठीक है, सपोज कि ये जो आपके टू स्केल्स हैं दोनों कहाँ पर लाई कर रहे हैं, दे आर लाइंग ऑन अ टेबल. दे आर नॉट इन स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन ना, स्टैंडिंग पोजिशन में तो नहीं है. बोथ आर लाइंग समवेयर, मे बी ऑन फ्लोर, मे बी ऑन टेबल, है ना. तो नाउ यू हैव टू सी, दिस वन इज लॉन्ग. ये स्केल कैसा है, दिस वन इज लॉन्ग, एल फॉर लॉन्ग. And as you see, the upper one, this one is short. ये क्या है, छोटा है as compared to this one. So S for short, S for, wait for a while, S for, S for short, right? Okay, now again you have to come down. These are two snakes. How snakes will do, है ना. So these are two snakes. Snakes are standing in position. Snakes खड़े होते हैं, no. Snakes are always lying on floor, है ना. ऐसे snakes चलते हैं ना. So they all are lying on the floor. So tell me, which snake is long and which one is short? The first one is long and the second one is short. The second one is short. Okay, now see, both the pencil are lying somewhere. दोनों पेंसिल कहाँ पर है, कहीं पर फ्लोर पर या टेबल पर. both the pencils are lying, they are not in standing position, है ना. So the this one is, you have to tell me. I want to ask, I want an answer from you. What is this, ma'am? This is long pencil. Yes, this one is long and this one is short. Now you will understand the meaning of long and short and tall and short, where we have to use tall and short words and where we have to use long. जब कोई भी object standing position में है, then you have to use the term tall. Okay, जब two objects are in standing position, standing position means ऐसे खड़े हैं, both are in vertical position, तो आपको कौन सी term use करनी है, tall and short. Okay, but if the objects are lying somewhere, ऐसे पड़े हैं, ठीक है, किसी surface पे lie down है, और यू कैन से इट इज इन हॉरिजॉन्टल पोजीशन, तो आप कौन सी टर्म यूज करोगे, लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट. ओके, सो देयर आर टू डिफरेंस. इफ यू हैव टू मेजर द हाइट, so you have to use term tall and short. If you have to measure the length, so you have to use long and short. Okay, so now we will come towards your today worksheet. So this is your today worksheet, students. Now, first thing which you have to do is you have to fill the topmost column. Okay, here you have to fill today date, as well as you have to circle the day and go outside, check today weather and circle the clip art. Alright, so now we are moving ahead. So the caption is long and short. Long and short के बारे में मैम ने अभी आपको बताया कि when the objects are lying somewhere and if you have to measure the length, तो आप long term use करते हो, ठीक है. So see, both of the pencil, one is long, long means लंबी, short means छोटी, right? So this pencil is long and this pencil is short. Okay, now we will see what is given below and then we will start. Okay, connect each picture with words long and short and trace over the dotted words. तो आपको हर एक पिक्चर को लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट के साथ सबसे पहले मैच करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू ट्रेस द डॉटेड वर्ड्स. द वर्ड्स विच इज गिवन यू over here, you have to trace them. Fine. So there is a conversation also between two friends, Tony and Tina. Tony said, show me your pencils. Tony have lots of pencils. So what Tony said, ki now you have to show me how many pencils do you have? How many pencils do you have? So Tina said, look, this one is long, this one is long and this one is short. So Tina said this one is long and Tony said yes, that one is short, है ना. So students, you also have to play this activity at your home. Okay, conduct this activity and then tell me that you like this activity or not. Okay, so there is a teacher and parent transaction process as well. So first is ask the children to pair up and open their pencil box. So simply, parents, you can conduct this activity as at your home. You can ask our kids that now you have to open your pencil box. Ask them to compare their pencils. So maybe they are having 2 3 pencil in their pencil box, and then you have to ask them, okay, compare your पेंसिल्स, ईच एंड एवरी पेंसिल्स. आप उसको कंपेयर करो, ऐसे रखकर उसको पेंसिल को कैसे करना है, कंपेयर करना है कि विच वन इज द लॉन्ग पेंसिल एंड विच वन इज शॉर्ट वन, राइट. एंड टेल देम a standing pencil. See, now you have to listen it very carefully. The standing pencil कैसे, like this, right? The standing pencil is always tall and short when the object is in standing position, है ना, ऐसे खड़ा है अगर कोई object, so that is tall. We can use term tall for it. Okay, but अगर यही same pencil is placed on a table, अगर किसी टेबल पे प्लेस कर दी जाएगी या किसी भी सरफेस पर, और इट इज इन द लाइन पोजीशन, लाइन मीन्स ऐसे इस पोजीशन में है, इट इज नॉट इन स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन एनी मोर, तो आपको कौन सी टर्म यूज करनी है, यू हैव टू यूज द टर्म लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट फॉर दैट. ओके, so that is the basic difference between tall and long. Okay students, so that's it. I'll also clear this particular meaning with the help of activity before, right? So now we will come on top. Okay, here you have to come students. So the very first one is done for you. You just have to trace it. This one is long pencil, and in this worksheet as well you can see the objects. आप objects को देख सकते हो. All the objects are in लाइन पोजीशन. सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स कैसे हैं, दे आर ऑल लाइंग ऑन समवेयर, ठीक है. बट व्हेन यू सी द नेक्स्ट प्रीवियस वर्कशीट, अगर आप अपनी प्रीवियस वर्कशीट देखो तो द ट्री, व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ ट्री, स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन. दिस ट्री इज आल्सो इन स्टैंडिंग. व्हाट इज द पोजीशन ऑफ द नेक्स्ट वन, दिस इज आल्सो इन स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन. Okay, so this is the difference between tall and long. Fine, so let's start. So first of all, you have to connect the picture with the right word and then trace it. So this is long and this one is short. Fine. So here you have to write long, long, L, O, N, G, long, longer, long. The next one is short, short. Sh sound come from, I told you, sh sound come from blend, S, H, short, S, H, short, that is a blend. Okay, when two consonants combine it will give you one sound, it's sh. So when S and H consonant combine it will give you sound sh, right? SHORT, short. This one is short pencil. Okay, now if you will see the next picture students, this one is long scissor and this one is short scissor, है ना. which one is long scissor students, this one is long, तो आप इससे इसको क्या करोगे, मैच करोगे. and this scissor is short one, so आप short के साथ इसको मैच करोगे. here you have to write the word. Okay, you just have to trace it. Word is already written, but in the dotted lines you have to trace it, LO. and I want that you will speak while writing those words LO, ताकि आपको learn भी हो साथ साथ, ठीक है. LONG, 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 long. The next word is short, short, S-H-O-R. Make the formation correctly, students. S-H-O-R-T. Short. S-H-O-R-T. Short, right? That is the mistake in formation. So you just have to correct it. Okay? S-H-O-R-T. Short. Come on the next picture. See the next picture. What is given in this picture, students? There is a chain. So tell me which is short one and which is long one. This one is short one. So you have to connect with short, and this one is the long one. So here you have to connect it with long. So write it long, long, L O N G, long, Long, long. The next one is short, S H. Try to write formation correctly, students. You know that my pencil is not flexible as per your pencil. So I am a little bit issue with this pencil, but please try to make formation correct. S-H-O-R-R T, short, S-H-O-R-T. See, your ma'am is also doing with you short, S-H-O-R-T, short, right? Okay, now one thing is left, which is scale. So this one you have to tell me which one is long and which one is short. I'm waiting for you. Hurry up. ये आपको खुद से करना है. That's why I left it. Tell me which one is short scale and which one is long scale. First of all, connect it and then write it by one. Okay? Okay, so students, you have done it? Okay, tell me which one is long? Ma'am, this one is long. Very good. Okay, and which one is short? This one. Very good. So students, this one you have to write by own. Okay, this is your maths work for today. You all have to revise it. One more time, I give you a recap. जो objects, those objects which are in standing position, ठीक है, those objects which are in standing position, we use the term tall for it. और जो objects which are is in lying position, ठीक है, okay, wait for a while, which are in lying position, so for that we use the term long. Okay, so that's it for your today class. We will meet in our next session. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.